Judicial Gold. My name is Radhika Singh Kelwa, and I am here with a video on the recently notified seats for Karnataka Judiciary. As you can see in front of you, there's a notification by the High Court of Karnataka at Bangalore, which has notified certain seats for the examination that is going to be conducted very soon for you guys. So if आप लोग ऐसा सोच रहे होंगे कि आज मैम को क्या हो गया, पूरा वीडियो इंग्लिश में क्यों ले रही है, बट सिंस यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा लैंग्वेज बैरियर है, कन्नड़ वाले जो लोग हैं वो ज्यादा इसमें अपीयर करेंगे, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग दिस वीडियो कंप्लीटली इन इंग्लिश. ठीक है. सो द हाई कोर्ट ऑफ कर्नाटका हैज रिसेंटली notified certain seats for the examination that is going to be conducted soon. This is an advertisement, or you can say a notification notifying the seats and calling for online applications. Okay, so as you can see, the last date for submission of online application is 12th of March 2025, a date to be noted. 12th March 2025 आपकी last date है of form filling, online applications to be filled by 20th of March 2025. As you can see, it is hereby notified that as per the provision of Karnataka Judicial Service Recruitment Rules 2004 and amended Rules 2011, 15, 16, 24, the Honorable Supreme Court of India and the High Court of Karnataka invites online application for direct recruitment to 158 post. 158 post के लिए ये आपको एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्ट करने वाले हैं, among which 24 are backlog posts. Okay, so you can fill this application if you are willing to become a judge in Karnataka. मैम हिमाचल का जॉब रिजेक्शन लिस्ट आई है एकदम से, प्लीज टेल उसकी कोई रेमेडी है? बिल्कुल, आपको इस चीज के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा वेट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, चलिए. देन उसके बाद आप इसमें मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन, इफ यू लुक एट द मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन, so for direct recruitment must be a holder of degree in law. For you to appear in this examination, minimum requirement is a degree in law, graduate by a university established by law in India, and must have enrolled as an advocate. A rider that you need to keep in mind, that you have to be enrolled as an advocate. If you are not enrolled as an advocate, you cannot fill out this application form for Karnataka Judiciary. Also, must have completed as on the last date fixed for receipt of application 40 years of age in case of candidates belonging to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe or category 1 or other backward class. Must not have completed 40 से ऊपर नहीं होना चाहिए, should not be above 40 in case of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe. 38 years of age in candidates belonging to category 2A or 2B or 3A, 3B of other backward classes. Other backward classes, in the case of other backward classes, you should be less than 38 years of age. And general, for general category people, it is 35 years of age in case of other candidates. So if you fulfill this criteria, then you can fill out the form for Karnataka Judiciary. Then there is a maximum age limit relaxation of 3 years in case of ex-servicemen candidates. ex-servicemen candidates को भी यहाँ पे कुछ 3 साल का relaxation दिया गया है. So now let us come directly to the seats. देख लो पहले तो seats जो है, this is the seats breakup. General merit, unreserved woman, rural candidate and everything conclusive is 59 in number. Then scheduled caste 23, scheduled tribe 10, category 1 6 plus 13, 20 plus 3 in category 2A, 2B के अंदर 5 plus 5 है. These category descriptions you can get from this notification only, कि who are the people falling in these categories. So general, if we see, it is 59 and total 134 plus 24, that makes it 158. So you will be contesting for 158 seats in total. Then let's come to the most important part of it, that is the method of recruitment. We know that you have to fill out the form by March 2025 and these are the number of seats, but what is the criteria or what is the examination pattern that has to be followed? जैसा कि हर ही एग्जाम में होता है, the similar pattern we are going to follow here, that is preliminary examination, mains and viva. Preliminary will only be qualifying and the final result merit list will be based on mains answer writing plus viva. Let's see the syllabus for it, because syllabus is more important. Preliminary examination 100 marks, objective type 100 marks का preliminary examination होगा, जिसके अंदर part A will be CPC, Negotiable Instrument Act, Transfer of Property Act, Indian Contract Act, Specific Relief Act, Indian Constitution, and one local law, that is Karnataka Rent Control Act. Then part B, CRPC, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sahita. Whenever it is written and, that means you will be asked both these laws. Purana wala CRPC bhi aayega, and also you will be asked BNSS. That means it will be a comparative paper where you will be asked the old law as well as the new law. So you have to be prepared with both. There is no going away with any of the act. You have to study CRPC as well as you have to study BNSS. Then IPC and BNS, that also you have to study. Indian Evidence Act and Bharatiya Saksh Adhiniyam, comparatively you will have to study. So they are asking you both the old law and the new law. So this is the syllabus for preliminary examination, which is a qualifying examination for 100 marks. Then the next will be part C, will be general knowledge, which will be testing your reasoning and mental ability. Then mains written examination, there will be different papers. The first paper will be of 100 marks, translation paper. There will be one translation paper and candidate will be required to translate passages into English, into Kannada, and Kannada into English. So that brings you to the conclusion that if you are well versed in Kannada, only then you can appear in this examination, because there's a paper, full-fledged 100 marks का paper है, जिसमें you have to do the translation for this thing. Kannada का translation आपको आएगा. So Kannada to English, English to Kannada will be asked from you. Then law paper 1 will again be of 100 marks, and इस 100 marks के paper के अंदर you will be asked CPC, CRPC, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sahita, again comparative paper, new law, old law, both are being asked, and principles of pleading and constitution. Then law paper number 2, again maximum 100 marks, framing of issue and writing of judgment in civil cases. Law paper 3, maximum 100 marks, framing of charges and judgment writing in criminal cases. Then computer test, 25 marks will be asked. Test of knowledge of computer shall carry maximum 25 marks. So this is your breakup for mains examination. So that was the notification. As you can see, that is the notification that has been given. Preliminary marks, minimum 16 marks obtain करना जरूरी है. Mains examination में 50 marks and Viva में 50 is important. If you qualify the mains examination by 50 marks, then you can qualify for the Viva. So that is the information that I wanted to share with you guys, that this notification is out stating that you can sit for the examination, but you have to remember one thing, that the notification is subject to the final outcome of final decision in a civil appeal that is already going on in the Supreme Court. So it will be subjected to this appeal. So if you are a student of Karnataka, or if you are well versed in Kannada, you can sit for this examination. There are total 158 posts for which you can contest, and the syllabus has been discussed here. I have discussed the syllabus, the eligibility for you guys to sit in this examination. So agar aap log, if you guys are preparing for Karnataka judiciary examinations, you can enroll by 12th March 2025. आप website पे जाके, you can go on the website and you can submit your online forms. So that is all the information that I wanted to share with you guys. So I hope you like this lecture. पसंद आया हो तो like, share, subscribe जरूर कर देना. Thank you so much guys, and do appear if you are well versed in Kannada. Do sit for this examination. There's a good chance you can get selected, because 158 seats is a good number which can get you selected. So that is all that I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day.